Welcome. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. This is often called the term-by-term method, and it is a fundamental skill for simplifying algebraic expressions. First, let us make sure we understand the names of the parts we are working with. The top part of our fraction is called a polynomial. This means it has multiple terms, like 4x squared plus 3x minus 5. The bottom part is a monomial, which means it has only one single term. Like 2x, we are dividing the many terms on top by the single term on the bottom. Here is the main strategy. When you divide a sum by a single number, you can break it apart. Think of it like this. If you have a plus b all over c, it is exactly the same as a over c plus b over c. We are just splitting the big fraction into smaller, separate fractions. To solve these smaller fractions, we need the quotient rule for exponents. This rule says that when you divide two terms with the same base, you subtract their exponents. So, x to the power of a divided by x to the power of b is simply x to the power of a minus b. Remember, top exponent minus bottom exponent. So here is our three-step process. Step 1, separate the terms into individual fractions. Step 2, divide the coefficients, which are the big numbers in front. And Step 3, subtract the exponents on the variables. Let's try a simple example. We have 4x cubed plus 6x squared, all divided by 2x. Notice we have two terms on top and one term on the bottom. First, we pull it apart. We write 4x cubed over 2x, plus 6x squared over 2x. Now, we have two small problems instead of one big one. Now we simplify each part. 4 divided by 2 is 2. X cubed divided by x to the first power is x squared, because 3 minus 1 is 2. For the second part, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and x squared divided by x is just x. So our final answer is 2x squared plus 3x. Let's look at a slightly harder one with three terms. Here we have 9x to the fourth minus 12x cubed plus 3x squared, all divided by 3x squared. Just like before, we split this into three separate fractions. Be very careful to keep the minus signs with their terms. So we have 9x to the fourth over 3x squared minus 12x cubed over 3x squared plus 3x squared over 3x squared. Let's solve it. First term, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 4 minus 2 leaves x squared. Second term, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 3 minus 2 is 1, so we just have x. For the last term, be careful. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and x squared divided by x squared cancels out completely. So the last term is just 1. The final answer is 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. To wrap up, remember these key points. Always divide each term separately. Divide the coefficient numbers normally, but subtract the exponent powers. Watch your signs, and remember that any term divided by itself equals 1. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.